Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension which is called Page Styles. Page Styles is a special extension that is designed specifically for Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that you'll be able to get some useful features by installing it. You can adjust web page styles with page styles. But the trouble is that it is quite unlikely that you would make your personal decision to actually install this extension. Instead, this page styles extension may be spread through integration with some free applications, and in many cases users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. Anyway, if this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome browser, this extension may operate as adware by periodically showing the huge portion of ads not related to the sites that you visit. If this extension was mistakenly added to Google Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions, then disable and remove this Page Styles extension. I would also recommend that you investigate your system with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.